Today, we're talking to a lender about the loan process. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's welcome Devin Kui from Smart Money. We've actually known each other for many, many years from Maui. Devin, please tell us a little bit about yourself and a little bit about your company.
So like Chelsea said, I'm from Maui originally. I started with Smart Money about 8 years ago. So that's also when I entered the industry. Smart Money has been around for about 15 years, and the senior loan officers, the people that have been doing it for a while, and the owners and stuff, have been doing it for close to 20. So I've actually learned a lot from the tippy top of the industry, I would say.
So Devin, why is getting pre-qualified so important before you're going house hunting?
So getting pre-qualified early, it kind of sets a tone of what to expect for the client. They can first learn what they're most qualified for. So they look at your assets, income, all that kind of stuff. You also get a chance to understand what properties cost, as far as, just a small studio in town versus your dream home in Kahala. You know exactly what the numbers look like. The loan officer can help you with that.
Right.
And thirdly, it also helps you fit within your budget. So if you have a certain down payment or monthly payments that you're trying to fit in, the loan officer can help you fit into that frame that you're reaching for.
Right. What should a client expect during a purchase transaction?
They should expect that it's going to be a very fast process. So there's actually a timeline that's set into place. The agent helps you set up that timeline. And the agent and the loan officer will help you keep to that timeline. So they want to make sure that you're on time to close the loan. So they'll help you, reach each check mark that's set in place.
Right. Once a client their offer is accepted though, what are some important things to remember?
So the most important thing, I think, is communication. So communication between the loan officer and the client, and also the communication between the client and the agent. It's just because the more information that we know, we can help smooth the process along. I would also say any changes to your file is going to be important. So try to stay away from changes as far as new debt. So don't buy cars, don't do any new credit cards, that kind of thing. Also, if there's any changes in your employment situation, sometimes it can't be avoided, so let the loan officer know ahead of time so we can try to save the situation. But also don't change jobs or don't do any of those kind of changes, because it can definitely affect your qualifications through the process, and it could be a deal killer. I would say lastly, just be flexible, because there's a lot of moving parts, there's a lot of different people involved, and you're all coming together at the very end of the transaction to make sure that your loan closes. So, things might change that the loan officer might ask you that might seem like, why did they wait to the last minute? But
Right.
Again, some things can't be helped, so just try to be flexible, be understanding, and then they're there to basically help you, be on your
Right.
side. Yeah.
Right. That's very true. Thanks, Devin. That was very helpful. If the viewers have any questions, how can they actually reach you?
So I would say the best way is to email me. It's my first name, Devin, Devan, at smartmoneyhawaii, all spelled out.com. And then my full contact info will be also posted below, down here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for watching. See you next week.